Hey guys, today I'm going to be going over the differences between Nadex live trading and Nadex uh, trading for demo. Now I've got these two charts set up, one on demo and one on live. The left is live and the right is demo. And we are looking at the exact same time frame, 15 hours out for 11 a.m. This is on the daily trades. Now I'm going to go over these differences and also talk about some other things that you may want to consider before switching from demo to live. Now I have it set up, these are the exact same times, every single line is exactly set up for the same time frame. As you can see on the center line, it's fairly the same. We got the sell position at 53.75 and then 54, and the buy position at 56 and 58.50. But when we go up, we start to see some of the major differences. We can see right here on the live is 27.50 for a sell, 30 for a sell. So that means if you're doing a sell for in the money, that you would be making more money off of the demo and risking less. But if we turn around and we look at an out of the money trade, we can see for the out of money trade that we are risking less and getting more compared to the demo account where we'd be risking more and getting less. And we have a continuation of this trend within this set of data for live and demo. And we can see this across almost every single live and demo trade there is. Now we can see right here, we can see that this one is 475. Well, not anymore, but just was. And then 1025 over here. That's almost, that's a huge difference. So we'd only get $10 for an in-the-money trade here and only 475 on the live, which is a huge, huge difference. And now we can see right here that we have $83 in the money trade compared to a $78 in the money trade, which is also a huge difference. It's almost a quarter of a difference. Now, one of the other big things you have to remember is that when you're trading live and demo, the psychological parts are also a lot different. Psychologically, you're more inclined to be worried about losing money on your live account. When you're trading live compared to demo, you're more likely to micromanage your positions, which I suggest not to do. I've lost a lot of money micromanaging my positions. For positions that I take a correct position and then I see it slightly move out of where I thought it was going to go, and then I quickly exit the trade out of fear for it just to move right back into position. And some of those trades, you could lose half your investment in a couple seconds, and then you just trying to recoup those losses, you lose half the original investment that you made, is when you could have gained up to double or more. Now we can also see one of the other major differences is the bid size and the offer size. Over here we can see almost all hundreds for the demo account, while over here we have a couple hundreds, but we have mostly 50s. This makes a huge difference if you're using a strategy using the leverage of your account value. And now another huge difference is the amount of money you start off with on a demo account. On a demo account, you start off with $25,000 on your demo account. Most people who are going to start off with Nadex do not start off with that much money. Now I've blown up my account before, and I know it's a lot harder to trade with less money than it is to trade with more money, because I have done well on my demo account compared to my live account. And I've used the leverage of having more funds, even if they're virtual funds, in my demo account than in my live account to make up for the difference. Now that's not to say that you can't start getting good trades in with a live account, but you also really need to know what you're doing. I've made thousands of dollars just in one night with Nadex, but I've also lost it just as quickly, and that's where one of the huge problems is. I've made $800 in one trade before, just to turn around and lose it in another. you really have to pay attention to what you're doing. Some of these things, these simple mistakes that you make, if you have not tried demo before, you learn how fast some of these things could turn around and how much money you can lose in just a matter of seconds. I definitely do not suggest you ever trade with live without being profitable in demo first. As for me, I definitely have taken position sizes that I should not have taken on my live account and just have them switch over and lose a lot of money before. But like I said before, I've also had a lot of wins as well. So it's all a learning experience if you've never traded before. And like I said, the biggest thing is the psychological part of where on a demo account I can just play and I do not worry about the trade reversing or anything like that because it's virtual money. It's not real. One of the other parts you got to take into account is the effect that your money has within the market. This may be fractional, but sometimes it can take place more commonly with the lower time frames, such as a 5-minute or hourly chart, and with higher offer and bid sizes. So you normally don't have to worry about that if you're only having a bid size or offer size of 1. I really doubt that would affect the market. Even with higher bid and offer size, I doubt it would affect the market much, but there's always that possibility that it does. There isn't really too good literature on the effects, but I would assume that there is some. But even if it is just marginal. But that's about all we're going to get into today about demo versus live. I hope you enjoyed the video and you check out some more of our Nadex videos and you like and subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a good day.